Hello guys, does the world has a big problems to solve in your opinion? Today, world's biggest problem is climate change and global warming. Yes, the world solves this world's biggest problem using green technology product and building a strong community of millions of people to make them aware about the biggest problem and inspire them to take right climate actions toward reduction of carbon footprint from atmosphere. At the heart of Yes World is Save Earth Mission, a movement to connect people from all across the globe and inform, inspire, and empower them to take actions on individual and community level to bring in the required change so that our planet is inhabitable for our coming generations. It is clear that if we don't act now to reduce the carbon emission from Earth, next century will pose the greatest existential threat to the human race. Also, all governments and other agencies have their own vested interests, which will continue to block the bold and meaningful climate actions. If the biggest petrochemical company Shell makes the highest profit in last 115 years, there is certainly something wrong in the climate actions. So at Yes World, we strongly believe that community-driven bottom-up approach is the only way forward to decarbonize our Mother Earth, in order to create the required vibrant and dynamic community to save Earth, and to motivate and incentivize them for the right actions toward the environment conservation. Yes World has launched Yes World Token. Yes World Token is the native token for Save Earth Mission and Yes World ecosystem. Yes World Token is the leading utility token with real utilities available in over 80 countries worldwide. Yes World Token is one of the very few cryptos in the present time that have got Twitter blue tick. It reinforces that Yes World is real company and backed by real team. The main founder of Yes World is Save Earth activist Dr. Sandeep Harry, whose Twitter account is also verified, and he is world's first Save Earth activist to get a blue tick from Twitter for his substantial contribution toward environment conservation and work done towards Save Earth as part of Save Earth Mission. Yes World also has launched energy-efficient window solution recently, and it's a physical product of specialized glass that reduces the heat content entering the glass facade by up to 85%. It also blocks the damaging UV rays by up to 92%. This is a very rare value proposition to have a crypto backed by a physical product that works on one of the most pressing issue, and the results are phenomenal. Yes World Token is a 20 Belgian francs based crypto asset and is receiving very good traction since its launch last fall April 2022. Yes World Token has almost 120k holder as per the BSCScan and is about to touch a milestone of 2.5 million transactions very soon. Yes World Token has an excellent presence in crypto ecosystem. Yes World is being accepted in the crypto capital of the world, Dubai. There are numerous vending machines and POS terminals where you can make payment for goods of services using Yes World Token. Yes World is currently a soft launch. It is a very interesting project. In fact, one of the most interesting projects ever seen. Great management, great vision, great products both digital and physical. There is a huge upside to the price, so it is highly recommended that one should have Yes World Token in the portfolio. I must have crypto. It's always being in the right trading instrument at right time when it comes being successful at investment. That right time is right now for Yes World Token. Yes World is planning on one of the biggest airdrop campaign next month going live on March 23, 2023. So this is perfect time to take your positions. Show the list where user can buy Yes World Token. Do follow Yes World Token's official Twitter handle for regular updates. Yes World is being accepted in the crypto capital of the world, Dubai. There are numerous vending machines and POS terminals where you can make payment for goods of services using Yes World Token. Under this video below you can find links and check credibility of this project to top press releases. Let's review their website now. YesWorld.io. Say yes to the world of environmental sustainability and transformed climate actions. As an innovative climate tech company, Yes World creates solutions to help businesses and consumers combat climate change. world's first energy-efficient Windows solution for homes and commercial use, as well as through the power of blockchain technology. We ensure that environmental action go further than ever before to help achieve net zero. The world's biggest crypto revolution is underway. Yes World is the leading option for those looking for an alternative to traditional investment instruments and conventional payment methods. A new world awaits. As digital technologies continue to change the way we live and do business, Yes World is at the forefront of this exciting new frontier. With its innovative platform and world-class services, Yes World represents a truly revolutionary approach to money and payments. The future of digital money and the planet. Yes World, the blockchain-based climate tech, provides intelligence on carbon emission data and tokenization of carbon offsets, as well as a vehicle to democratize carbon reduction activities as part of Save Earth mission. Green is the future, and the future is now. Empowering sustainability, democratizing sustainable behavior toward the environment, promoting responsible stewardship, and empowering people through blockchain technology. That's what we're all about. We are passionate about protecting our planet and promoting environmental sustainability. With innovative solutions and a mission-driven approach, we are leading the charge towards a greener future, reducing the carbon footprints. The world is rapidly moving towards a low-carbon future, and Yes World is at the forefront of this transition. We envision a world where everyone has the opportunity to contribute to environmental sustainability and make a positive impact on the planet. At Yes World, we are dedicated to leveraging the power of community to create a more sustainable future for all. Technology to fight the biggest challenge. As climate change becomes an increasingly urgent issue, there is increased pressure on companies and individuals alike to find ways to mitigate their carbon footprint. One of the most effective strategies for doing so is by purchasing carbon credits through Yes World Carbon Marketplace. At the heart of our platform is a powerful blockchain-based ecosystem. Yes World Marketplace for carbon trading designed to connect global demand and supply with the aim of driving down emissions and helping to combat climate change. We believe that this marketplace has the potential to become the world's first truly sustainable economy, and we are proud to be leading the way in making it a reality. Real token, real utilities. The possibilities of Yes World tokens are endless. Pay for everyday expenses with ease, no matter where you are in the world. Take advantage of exclusive merchant offers and discounts. Use Yes World tokens in vending machines and other physical location. Because Yes tokens are accepted at merchant POS terminals worldwide, they are a great way to make your purchases more convenient and hassle-free. Whether you're shopping online or in a physical store, Yes World tokens give you complete freedom and control over your money. A revolutionary new way to shop and earn. The Yes World token is a revolutionary new way to shop and earn rewards. By paying with Yes World token, you can shop anywhere in the world without worrying about conversion fees. And when you shop at encircled merchants, you'll earn rewards that can be used to save money on future purchases. Explore the world in a whole new way with Yes World tokens. The Yes World team is committed to breaking the barriers that have prevented crypto from being widely accepted in the travel industry, and they are doing so by offering the best offers and rates, along with payment with Yes World tokens. Need a flight or a hotel or maybe a car? Looking for activities or excursions once you reach your destination? You can do all this and more using Yes World tokens. Say yes to more choices, better prices, and amazing deals with Yes World. With the power of group buying, Yes World offers great discounts and deals on your favorite brands. You can shop online or offline with ease, knowing that you're getting the best possible prices. Start shopping today to unlock great deals and ease of payment with Yes World token. Leveraging your investment. At Yes World, we understand that sometimes you need extra cash to cover expenses or make a big purchase. With low interest rates and flexible repayment terms, there's no better way to get the money you need. Enjoy the price appreciation of Yes World token, even when you have collateralized it. Once only dreamed of, now reality. Yes World is proud to offer our innovative crypto card service, which allows you to use your cryptocurrencies in everyday life. With this awesome digital card, you can make purchases at any retail location or restaurant just like you would with regular credit or debit cards. With the Yes Crypto card, there are no limits. You will find all the links under this video below. Check out Yes World project and join, and see you on the next episode.